holidays are here, everybody's having parties, and we all know lighting is everything. As a friend of mine told me, the struggle is real. So here we go, and here's how to light your home for that great holiday party. Reflective surfaces and white tapers. When you have beautiful candlelight bouncing off of all the mirror and all the reflective surfaces, it creates a beautiful atmosphere. So don't forget mirrored trays, some jeweled glass pieces. The great thing is when that beautiful candlelight bounces off these jewel tones, it throws beautiful light across the room. Keep the overhead lights to a bare minimum. If you're lucky enough to have them on dimmers, keep them low. You want all that candlelight moving around the room. Also, votives, they're great. You put them in here, put them in groups. You can have these silvered like these are, clear glass, doesn't matter, groups scattered all over the home. Remember, always an odd number. Never 2, never 4, 3, 5, even 1 is a great idea. Don't forget the powder room. People go in there, and if you've had a beautiful soft lighting throughout the house, and somebody goes into the powder room and they flip on that light switch, it's a little glaring. So light a really nice scented votive candle, put it in the powder room. Might be a little dark for those of us that reapply lipstick, but it's perfect really. And if you can, if you think about it, and you have a lot of lamps and a lot of lighting, think about moving into a 25-watt soft white bulb just for that party. It's going to make everybody beautiful, and especially you.